Coughing starts when irritants like dust, smoke, or mucus stimulate receptors in the airways. These receptors send signals via nerves to the brain's cough center. The brain then sends signals to the muscles involved in breathing. The diaphragm contracts, the lungs compress, and air is forcefully expelled to clear the irritants. This is the cough reflex. That's how coughing helps keep your airways clear.